welcome back to the channel again, guys. We work on this Vauxhall Mocha. It's a 1.4 petrol engine, and we don't have a warning on there, but you may get overheating warning, temperature warning, the temperature gauge goes up. If you do, and you're getting P0597 engine coolant thermostat heater control circuit, if you're getting this, we recommend, well, I'll show you exactly where this sensor is and where the component is, in other words. So on this 1.4 petrol engine 2017 Vauxhall Mocha, which is going to be same on Corsa, is located right here, guys. That there, that red one, if you can see it. So if I unplug it, there we go, you will see it better. So that component there, guys, is what you really need to kind of replace, in other words, because they are known for it to go. I'm not saying it's the easiest thing to change. There's a few things in the way, so such as moving this one. There's a few things you can push out of the way, but it's that bolt there that kind of secures it. There's another one, and there's one underneath as well. But the sensors tend to go. But before you do, check the voltage to this. Make sure there's current, good voltage. If it is, and everything's fine there, then we do recommend you change the. I'm trying to get you the part number, guys. There it is. So that's it there, 8200. It's that code, whatever. Get OEM, because you don't want to get aftermarket, as you may cause yourself more issue and hassle and time. So this is replaced with an OEM back in there, and if we were to do a full scan clear, it should eliminate the fault code, and we won't have any warning on here. No. There we are, so there we go, nothing. But that's where it is, that's where the sensor is. I hope this video does help you guys. This is really easy, it's nothing crazy, to be fair. It was so, just make sure you're in the right place, in there, there we go, done. That's where the sensor is. Get OEM, you can get it from dealer, eBay, but make sure it's genuine part.